Welcome back, my friends. Woohoo! Chocolate, mint, brownies. I'll tell you what, it doesn't get any better than this, mate. Let's get stuck into it. Alrighty, first of all, in a saucepan, get one bag, which is 290 grams of dark chocolate melts, whatever brand you like using. 290 grams, which works out to 2 cups. And 120 grams of butter. Alright, put them in a saucepan. Put them on very, very low heat and melt the both together. Now while that's melting, alright, now I'll always put the recipe below. We got plain flour, sugar and baking powder. Mix them up together. Like so. And put that aside. Alright, you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. You want to get yourself a square baking tray. So you put a little bit of butter in the bottom and on the sides of the tray, then put your paper in and sits in there. Awesome! Okay, now for the minty part. Alright, today, folks, we are using Tim Tams! Oh yeah, mate, I love Tim Tams. And we're going to do a couple of different Tim Tam recipes. So you can use any choc mint biscuits that you like. But if you're an Aussie, Tim Tams is the way to go. They've just spread out now and we've got, I don't know, about 8, 10, maybe even 12 different flavoured Tim Tams, and I'm in heaven. So today I'm going to use the Tim Tam brand, but you can use whatever mint chocolate biscuits that you like. Alright, now you want to get a whole pack. Alright, the rule is in Australia, if you open a pack of Tim Tams, you have to eat one. No matter what you do. Alright, so first thing you do is if you've got a food processor, alright, you can chuck them all in there and process them up with that. You can use a rolling pin, you can use whatever you want. I love the hammer, mate. Love the hammer. Alright, if you do it in a bag, get a freezer bag, always leave your end open and then your bag won't pop. Beat the crap out of them, because it is so much fun. Oh, yeah. Once you have done that like so, oh yeah, grab yourself a bowl and put it all in there. Oh yeah. Oh my yum. Try and get as much out as you can. Like so. I've got this thing with the like so today. Look at that. Get your flour. Now, oh sorry, I also forgot to say, beat 3 eggs. Alright. Pour your 3 eggs in. Oh yeah. Pour in your chocolatto mix. Chocolate and butter mix. Put that all in there. Yeah, I was just on the verge of having that on too long then. I almost burnt it. You burnt your chocolate, it's just all downhill and a waste of money. So yeah, keep an eye on it. Alright, once all that's in there, mix that up. Okay, you don't have to go overboard. Alright, once you've done that, you want to chuck 3/4 of your bicky in. And you want to leave like a quarter, like a so. I'm so stuck on that. To put on your top. Alright, mix that all in. Oh yeah. These are stunning. Oh, yeah, absolutely canes. Blokes, if you want to get big in your arms and that, just help your Mrs. Stir Shit in the kitchen. Alright. That's a killer. Okay, look at that. That is a beautiful. Alright. Get your pan that you've already got ready to go. Make sure I've got it all you can see. Alright, put her in there. Ooh. Damn balls. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, that's just yummy. Oh, these are just so chocolatey. Alrighty, mix it, put it around. A little bit of patience for this, it's elastic again. You want to do it reasonably quick, because if the chocolate starts setting, it'll get too hard for you to do this. So yeah, just be patient. Keep pushing in, you'll get it sooner or later. Corner to corner. In you go, little fella. Go on, in you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that one was already nice and big. And then just sort of try and, as best you can, even her out a little bit. As you can see, it's starting to get a bit harder. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's grab myself a knife. There's another bite there. Get it all off. Blend it in as much as you can. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, once you've done that, sprinkle over your chocolate, Tim Tam. Because we love our daughters Tim Tams in Australia. Yeah, half of us are wogs here, by the way. Woggy backgrounds. Well, actually, we've got everything here. It's awesome. Absolutely everything. But us wogs, we got here first, mate. Well, after the settlers, I suppose. Oh, yeah. This is how we do it. And chuck it in the oven. Yum. Oh, this kitchen smells like mint and, oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that took 33 minutes. So, I'll look from 30 to 35 minutes. I'll definitely check on them around 28 minutes because every oven is different. Now, I'm going to leave it sit there for at least 10 minutes and then I'll pull it out in the paper and sit it on a rack for at least another 20 minutes. Oh, my giddy godfather. Oh, alrighty, it's ready to go. It's still warm, can't resist it. Everyone wants some. I might do little ones this time. Oh, yeah. Check these puppies out. Oh my golly gosh. Yummo. Oi, give them a crack. First one in your family to make choc mint brownies. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Have yourselves an awesome day. And I will catch you soon for my next Tim Tam recipe. Bye.